to? Co to jest? Palat, tytan. Ja mam na razie zrobić podbuduj posterunek, to może.
Outpost construction in progress. This building is a local version of our headquarters. It will allow me to reconstruct whenever I am destroyed. And it has a permanent rift station that we can rift jump to at any time.
It will also allow us to automatically transfer all of the resources that are mined in this location back to our HQ, even if we're not present in this location. We can construct a network of such outposts around the planet to build up our economy. It's the only way to acquire enough resources to construct the Rift Station and all of its components.
Be mindful of where we place these buildings, though. Our headquarters have a capacity limit of how many outposts we can support at once. So whenever there is no use for an outpost, we should deconstruct it and recycle the resources that were used to build it. Ashley, I am picking up a lot more activity in this area. We should expect strong resistance from the local creatures.
Understood, Mr. Riggs. Let's make sure to set up solid defenses for this outpost.
Kopalnia surowców rzadkich, ale to musi mieć 4. poziom. To jest kopalnia surowców rzadkich, ale potrzebujemy wyższego poziomu. Ale się musimy przenieść na górną mapę. To ogarnąć, bo dopóki nie zrobimy tego, to ale tu będzie za dużo tych. Dobra.
Ashley, I've been tracking strange behavior within Galatea's asteroid belt. One of the smaller objects that have been orbiting the planet.
No dobra, w razie musimy... A to nie musimy tego robić, tylko... Ileż to
Planet has recently changed its trajectory.
What's strange about that? Galatea is a relatively young planet and has lots of moons and smaller rocks in its orbit.
I have not detected any collisions in this object's vicinity, or any other force that could affect its movement. It is also heading straight for our headquarters. It should be flying over our position at any moment now.
Okay, you've got my attention. Let's track this meteor and see where it lands.
The meteorite has landed near our position. I am detecting increased radiation in a very broad emission spectrum. That was not a typical rock.
I'm intrigued. Let's get to that impact location as soon as possible. The meteorite created a vast crater. The ground has a strange blue glow in this place. Is this Cherenkov radiation?
That's possible. I am receiving conflicting readings. Ashley, please move closer to the center of the crater and use the geoscanner to gather more data from the debris. Air humidity is rising. It's going to rain in a moment. This rain is harmless to our base, but it decreases solar panel efficiency until it stops.
Okay, is this enough?
Affirmative, Ashley. The remains of this meteorite are emitting huge amounts of dark energy waves. They are off the charts.
That's very odd. What can you tell? Tell me about the impactor's composition. It was too small to contain enough dark matter to cause such emissions.
It was almost completely obliterated when it hit the ground. The dust that remains is primarily composed of heavy metal elements. Error. Some of the readings are changing.
How is that possible?
My apparatus is broken, or the sample is unstable. It appears as if some of the heavier atoms are quickly decaying into lighter ones, while others are fusing into heavier elements.
That's nonsense. Such behavior is not possible. That would cause a giant fusion explosion. Nothing could contain so much energy in a stable state.
You are correct, Ashley. However, we still cannot explain the dark energy emissions from this debris.
That's true. We also can't explain why this meteor decided to land right next to our base. That's too odd to be a coincidence. Are there any more objects in Galatia's orbit with similar composition?
Yes. There is a number of similar objects orbiting the planet. They have been here since before we arrived. They have different composition than most of the planet's surface.
Most of the planet's surface? Is there an area on the planet with similar composition as those meteors?
Yes. Our initial planetary scans have mapped a large valley that looks like an ancient impact crater on one of the continents. Its resonance spectrum indicated large quantities of heavy metals. This area does not seem to contain any resources that are required to construct the Rift Station, so it was not marked as important.
The meteor that landed here must be a fragment of some larger object that collided with Galatia a long time ago, and as a result, created that crater. Mr. Riggs, can you chart rift jump coordinates to that metallic valley?
Affirmative, Ashley.
Okay, let's go there as soon as possible.
Jump successful. Radiation is above normal, but within safety limits.
Amazing. This place looks like a completely different planet. The plants and rocks look like they've been fused with the heavy metals that are so abundant here.
I am detecting regular dark energy wave pulses. It is difficult to assess where they originate from. I need some time to gather more readings.
Okay, Mr. Riggs. In the meantime, we can walk around and explore the area.
Good.
Are these dragonflies? They have metallic wings and reinforced carapaces, but the majority of their bodies is organic. This is very odd.
Watch out for this species, Ashley. It looks very aggressive and can fly over terrain obstacles. I have finished analyzing the dark energy wave patterns. There are at least a few strong emitters within this area. I have marked the location of the strongest one on your map. We should go there first.
Okay. This valley looks alien on an alien planet. Let's see what we can find here. at these structures. These aren't natural. They must have been made by an advanced civilization. I can even see some wreckage. Are these remnants of an ancient native civilization, or has someone visited this planet before us? This raises so many questions.
Ashley, this is a very significant discovery. It could change the classification of our entire mission to Galatea 37. We need to conduct a thorough analysis of these objects. You know the procedures.
I know. Secure the area. Construct a research station near the archaeological site. Assess if the find poses any threat to the expedition.
Affirmative. These should be our immediate goals here.
What about the dark energy wave emissions that we were tracking? Are they coming from these ruins?
No. The source of these emissions seems to be hidden behind the alien structures, somewhere within that crater.
Okay. As soon as we finish analyzing these structures, we'll need to find a way inside there.
The research station is under construction. I'm detecting movement in the planet's orbit. This cannot be a coincidence. We should prepare to defend this site.
This doesn't look well. If something is purposefully controlling objects in the sky, then we might be dealing with an active presence of an alien civilization. I'm starting to get worried about this.
Don't worry, Ashley. Get prepared. Warning! I'm detecting a fast-moving horde of creatures heading towards our outpost. An attack is imminent.
A new technology has been developed. New buildings are available for construction. Is this a drone or a creature? It doesn't look natural.
These flying round creatures are biomechanical hybrid organisms. However, I would not classify them as typical cyborgs. I cannot see a clear distinction between organic and mechanical parts. All of their elements function perfectly together.
They either evolved this way, or they've been bioengineered. Both options are equally disturbing. Let's see what other curiosities we can find here.
Research completed.
A, dopiero dopóki tego nie zrobimy, ale... Aha, Ale i dopiero będę mógł... Jeszcze pewnie to 2 razy przejdą.
Under attack.
Co tam znowu się dzieje?
The research station is halfway through gathering data. Research completed. Technology
Żeby to produkować, to muszę iść gdzie indziej.
has been developed. New blueprints are available for crafting.
technology has been developed.
New blueprints are available for crafting. Attack. Our towers are low on ammo. Build more ammunition factories. The research station has finished analyzing the alien artifacts.
These structures were indeed created by an advanced civilization. They are old, but they're too young to be of native origin. They're composed of very dense, heavy element alloys. The wreckage in front of the tall alien pillars appears to be some kind of a pump or a refinery. It has visible intake valves, and we found traces of morphium inside it.
This liquid behaves in a similar way to the meteorite debris that we analyzed near our HQ. It is a mixture of heavy element atoms that rapidly change state and morph interchangeably into lighter or heavier elements.
How is this liquid stable? Why doesn't it explode? We've never seen anything like this.
Our sensors cannot explain these phenomena. However, we are detecting... Research completed.
Czego brakuje? Ten budynek wymaga zbudowania kwatery dowodzenia. Okej. Co my tu możemy zrobić? Wyże kwasowe, okej. Wyże ze strzelbą. 3,5 tysiąca. Węgiel. No dobra, to pojedziemy na razie w to. Czyli potrzebujemy ile?
Dark energy wave emissions from this liquid.
Dark matter and dark energy are just vague terms that we use to describe unknown forms of both. That means that there's something more inside or around the liquid that we cannot see or interact with. That's probably the thing that drives and stabilizes these morphing reactions. I propose we call this substance morphium.
A fitting name. It looks like there is a pool of morphium nearby. Maybe this wreckage was initially connected to it.
That would make sense. Let's connect it back and see what happens. Is our pipeline system going to be able to transport this substance?
Of course. It's been designed to handle plasma, supercoolants, or even molten magma. It can transport practically anything.
Okay then. Let's place a pipe in this pool of morphium and connect it to the alien structure near our research station. It's working. What is it doing? The ground is being covered with metal plates. They're replicating.
The barrier that was guarding the entrance to the crater has just been assimilated by that metal surface.
Was that a gate left here on purpose?
The dark energy emissions are coming from within that crater.
Let's go inside. The structures inside this crater are amazing. They are very old and damaged, but they give me the feeling as if they could come back to life at any moment.
The dark energy readings are strongest at the center of this crater. Something powerful was here, but there is not much left.
These aliens must have been able to manipulate unknown forms of dark matter and dark energy. The morphium liquid looks like some kind of power source. It provides both matter and energy to their structures. Would it be possible to replicate some of this technology without fully understanding how it works?
Yes. The research station scanned the alien structure thoroughly, and our printer drones can replicate it with minor modifications. If we connect it to a morphium pipeline, it will operate. Based on initial analysis, the structure that opened the gate to this crater has multiple purposes. It is a defensive tower, but it also covers the ground around itself with a metallic surface. This influence area assimilates most smaller objects that it touches, and serves as a power generator. It probably served additional purposes for the aliens, but we don't know enough about that. These towers will not require an additional energy supply. Nor AI cores to operate.
This can prove very useful if we can find more pools of morphium. It could make securing remote bases very easy because we could have the Morphium towers up very quickly, without the need to set up AI centers and a full power grid for them.
We could also research a crude way of transforming Morphium into a power source, and build Morphium power plants.
A new technology has been developed.
New buildings are available for construction.
That's interesting as well. Before we venture out further, it looks like it would be a good idea to set up a solid outpost in this area. There's a lot of Ironium and Cobalt in this valley. We should take advantage of that.
That is a very good idea, Ashley. As soon as we've secured a solid outpost, we should investigate the remaining dark energy wave emitters I detected in this area. I have marked their approximate locations on your map. Some of the hostile creatures that are present in this biome are capable of traversing over canyons and lakes. We have to take that under consideration when placing our defenses. Remember to secure our base from all sides.
Sunlight is a bit dimmed in this metallic valley, and there's a lot of strong wind currents. The weather is a bit more volatile here. I think it would make more sense to build wind turbines in this biome. However, we should back them up with a lot of energy storage capacity to mitigate the changing weather conditions. Ironium storage is full. Build more storage facilities.
Danger! Enemy creatures are closing in. Get ready to fight.
Base is under attack. A building has been destroyed. A new technology has been developed. New buildings are available for construction.
One of our energy connectors has been destroyed.
One of our buildings has been destroyed.
Base is under attack.
The wind is picking up speed.
Wind speed is at an exceptional high. Wind turbine efficiency is at maximum.
The wind is calming down. Wind turbine power output is coming back to normal.
The dark energy emissions are coming from inside this crater, but the entrance is blocked by the same type of structures that were present near the alien Morpheum Tower wreckage.
Can we rift jump inside there?
No. The energy field in that crater is too strong. It could scramble us.
Okay, we wouldn't want that. Maybe we should place our own Morpheum Tower near this barricade to remove it.
That would be logical. Ironium storage is full. Build more storage facilities. I'm detecting a decrease in wind speed. This may affect our wind turbines. Wind speed is at a low today. Wind turbines are less effective.
A new technology has been developed.
New buildings are available. Research completed. For construction. This appears to be another piece of alien wreckage. we can extract some useful technology from it.
Things didn't go well for them on this planet. Was it the local fauna that destroyed them? Are we going to suffer the same fate? We're aliens, just like they were.
That is not probable, Ashley. An advanced civilization with such sophisticated technology would not be threatened by the primitive creatures that we've encountered on this planet.
The local creatures are quite a threat to us, and I'm sure...
Research completed.
Sure, we haven't seen everything this planet has to offer. And if the local fauna didn't destroy them, then what did?
They could have been destroyed by natural disasters. Or they could have been destroyed by another civilization. Or they could have destroyed themselves.
Okay, you're right. There's no point in speculating. Let's search for more information.
Czekajcie, bo tutaj też mam. Skrzyżowanie rur, dobra. Się przydało postawić, a tu tam się tykniemy na tamte miejscówki, gdzie można kobalt wydobywać, pobudują to. Technologię.
Carbonium storage is full. We should construct more storage buildings.
Warning! A large group of creatures is gathering near our base. Prepare for an incoming attack.
Wind is picking up again.
creatures is heading towards our base. Prepare for an incoming attack.
Dawać ich. No, come on, come on.
Base is under attack. A building has been destroyed. A tower has been destroyed.
A building has been destroyed.
I'm detecting a change in wind power. This may affect our wind turbines.
Dobra, idziemy. Zbudujemy to. Przeczytujemy to centrum dowodzenia.
All wind has stopped. Our wind turbines are down.
Carbonium storage is full. Build more storage facilities.
To się przyda. tego się już nie może dołączyć. To się chyba wrócić powinno. O, dobra, skoczyło. Teraz to ulepszyć. Muszę ulepszyć te w tym. Mówię,
The wind is coming back. Wind power is returning to normal.
Dobra, idziemy. Musimy to ogarniamy. Gdzieś tam dalej spróbuję postawić. Można sobie gdzieś w jakimś miejscu na przykład tu elektrownię budować. Bo mamy te, uruchomujemy technologię i wysyłać sobie energię dalej. Tego tu jest dużo, więc może faktycznie tak zrobimy. Ale to ta tą technologię to jeszcze w będę dokonywał. Chociaż tam tak ulepszę. Chociaż tu mogę do trzeciego poziomu ulepszyć. Wrócimy tu ulepszę. Wiecie. Może by się zasłużyło.
It looks like the weather is calming down. Wind is getting slower. The wind is very slow today.
Zrobić tak.
Carbonium storage is full. We should construct more storage buildings. What happened here? It looks like these rocks melted from intense heat.
That is possible, Ashley. The object in the center of this area is still sending out strong and research completed.
Ale i tak go nie wybuduję. I pewnie go też nie mam. No, będę musiał je wytworzyć. Ale...
Energy emissions, and whatever happened here must have happened a long time ago.
Something was destroyed here. Maybe we can create something useful from this wreckage. Is this an ancient battlefield?
Warning! Unknown threat incoming.
What was that? I don't see how this could be a mutated local species. And they ambushed us here. I don't think these ancient aliens are dead. And I don't think they like us. We have to find out if there are more of them on this planet.
I agree, Ashley. An advanced hostile civilization could threaten our mission and all of humanity if it could possess control of the Rift Station. We have analyzed all of the dark energy wave emissions present in this area. I was able to fine-tune our equipment thanks to the data and the morphium research that we conducted here. I have located a new planetary location that contains dark energy wave emissions, similar to the ones that we've encountered in this area.
Okay, we should rift jump to that location as soon as possible.
Dobra, czekajcie. Jak daleko trzeba być?
Wind speed projection is returning back to statistically normal values. Wind turbines are back at nominal power levels.
Nam się w bazie też podnieść do trzeciego poziomu. Mogę te kopalnie postawić. Jest kobalt.
A new technology has been developed.
New buildings are available for construction. Warning! Hostile creatures are closing in on our base. Prepare for an attack. Carbonium storage is full. Build more storage facilities. Warning! A hostile group of creatures is heading towards our base. Prepare for an incoming attack.
Co?
Base is under attack.
Już, panie Rix. Czekaj, tam. Skaner orbitalny.
jump successful. I am detecting strong dark energy wave emissions, but I cannot pinpoint the exact location. We need to gather more readings.
Roger that, Mr. Riggs. Let's scout the area. Maybe we can find that spot ourselves. How do you think we should call these ancient aliens, Mr. Riggs?
Based on the data we've gathered, I would classify them as a Type 4 advanced extraterrestrial morphium-based civilization.
Okay, let's cut that short and call them X-Morph from now on.
Acknowledged. It fits well.
Exmo. Dobra, to się składa.
A new technology has been developed. New buildings are available for construction.
Gra, która
New blueprints are available for crafting.
Exmorph, gdzie właśnie walczy się z obcą, jest obcą cywilizacją, się przyjmuje kontrolę nad tym, gdzie ona się rozprzestrzenia, kładąc takie płyty na powierzchni.
Prepare for an ion storm.
The ion storm has started. All sensors are down. A lot of our equipment has been disabled. We have to wait until the storm passes.
A new technology has been developed.
New blueprints are available for crafting.
Everything is getting back to normal. Thankfully, this didn't last long.
We've gathered enough data to locate the source of the dark energy wave emissions. I've marked the location on your map.
Okay, Mr. Riggs, let's go there.
Research completed. Unknown threat detected.
It's a huge alien tower.
Watch out, Ashley. It shoots very powerful plasma
No i dokładnie
projectiles.
te wieżyczki, które są tam potrzebne.
How did these towers appear out of thin air?
We probably couldn't detect them with our senses. They must be using dark matter in their technologies.
Any technology that's sufficiently advanced is indistinguishable from magic. That sounds about right in this case. We can't directly detect dark matter and dark energy, but we can see the effects of its influence.
That is correct, Ashley. All of my dark energy readings are based on changes in the local environment that cannot be explained in any other way. For example, dark matter can affect gravity, but it does not interact with electromagnetic waves, including light waves.
Modern magic in its purest form. This looks like a crash site. I can see a wing fragment over there. I think a small spaceship hit the ground in this spot and broke up into pieces.
We should remove all hostile presence from the area before we try to study this site in more detail. The ship's core is partially intact. Some processes are still functioning.
How can you detect that? Isn't this supposed to be unknown alien technology?
Some of these mechanisms are quite similar to ours. A lot of them operate based on known rules of physics.
Except the ones that use dark matter. Maybe these aliens are just one step ahead of us.
We could power up this core if we deliver a large enough initiating charge.
Do you think we could get some data out of the ship's computer?
I think that could be possible. At least we could learn more about how their technology operates on a fundamental level.
Okay then, let's build up enough energy storage capacity, fill it up, and connect it to the ship's core.
Zgromadź energię w magazynach.
A new technology has been developed.
New buildings are available for construction.
Jeden daje 10k, a mamy 440 takich potrzebujemy.
Warning! I am detecting swarms of hostile creatures heading towards our location. It looks like they originate from a few central points. We should go there and clear them out.
Let's go there as soon as we've built up some basic defenses around this site.
A new technology has been developed.
New buildings are available for construction. New blueprints are available for crafting.
hostile group of creatures is heading towards our base. Prepare for an incoming attack.
Warning, a new group of hostile creatures is coming from a nearby nest. Base is under attack.
A building has been destroyed. There is a breach in our walls.
One of our energy connectors has been destroyed.
Tower destroyed.
One of our buildings has been destroyed.
Base is under attack. Wall destroyed. Tower weather conditions are changing. Wind speed is increasing. One of our buildings was being destroyed.
These strong winds can make our life easier. Wind turbines are spinning like crazy.
Base is under attack. Weapon dropped. We can try to recover it later. Wall destroyed.
Najpierw niszczymy tam te... Ja prawie tam
Base is under attack. One of our walls has been destroyed. Warning! Hostile creatures are coming from a nearby nest. We should go there and clear it out.
nie.
Base is under attack. The wind is calming down.
Base is under attack.
No słyszałem to już.
Base is under attack. Warning. Hostile creatures are coming from a nearby nest. We should go there and clear it out.
Base is under attack. There is a breach in our walls.
Base is under attack.
Research completed.
Okej, czyli pompy nie wyrabiają. Wyraz bombą portalową. Dobra, czyli brakuje nam 6.
Hostile creatures are coming from a nearby nest. We should go there and clear it out.
This looks like an automated biofactory. It's fusing the local fauna with some kind of alien technology. It doesn't look right. It's more like a failed experiment.
It is threatening both to us and to the local ecosystem. We should destroy it.
You won't have to tell me that twice.
Warning! An enemy attack is imminent. We should build stronger defenses around our base.
It looks like the weather's calming down. Wind is getting slower. The wind is very slow today. Wind turbine efficiency is not going to be that great.
Warning! A new group of hostile creatures is coming from a nearby nest. Hostile group of creatures is heading towards our base. Prepare for an incoming attack. A tower has been destroyed. An energy connector has been destroyed. One of our walls has been destroyed. A building has been destroyed.
Dobra, później to odbuduję.
Tower destroyed.
Wind is picking up again. Warning. Hostile creatures are coming from a nearby nest. We should go there and clear it out.
Wall destroyed.
A building has been destroyed.
The weather's changing. Wind is slowing down.
Under attack.
An energy connector has been destroyed.
One of our buildings has been destroyed. One of our...
All wind has stopped. Our wind turbines are down.
One of our buildings has been destroyed.
Base is under attack. A building has been destroyed. One of our energy connectors has been destroyed.
Base is under attack.
A tower has been destroyed.
One of our buildings has been destroyed.
An energy connector has been destroyed.
Base is under attack.
There is a breach in our walls. Tower destroyed. One of our walls has been destroyed. Base is under attack.
A building has been destroyed.
There is a breach in our walls. Base is under attack.
Cudowna, no już idę.
One of our walls is being destroyed.
The wind is coming back. Wind power is returning to normal.
Musimy skupić na zabezpieczeniu.
Base is under attack.
Wall destroyed.
Not enough carbonium.
Warning! An aggressive horde is amassing near our base. Prepare to defend our base.
There's an intense aurora in the sky. Prepare for an ion storm. It's going to disable a lot of equipment.
Naprawdę.
This ion storm is really intense. It disabled a lot of equipment. We have to wait it off.
Initiating charge for the ship's core is ready. You can go there and start the procedure. We have to be close to that object to control that sequence.
Okay, let's see if there's a ghost in this shell.
Rescue. Sensational.
Are you seeing this? Do you understand what it's saying?
Negative. It's an alien language. I am trying to translate it, but it's going to take some time. I can speak your language. Who are you?
I am Captain Ashley Novak from planet Earth. I have found your ship crash-landed on this planet. Who are you? How did you come to this planet? Why were you destroyed?
This planet has been marked for improvement. Algorithm failed. Replication limit. Warning! An aggressive horde is amassing near our base. Prepare to defend our base. Danger! Power grid overloaded.
Oh no. We've lost the alien core. We had contact with actual alien intelligence, and it's gone.
Ashley, we should be satisfied that we had any contact at all. I only assumed that we could analyze this core's basic operations.
Establishing contact with a new sentient species is a milestone that's hard to describe. If only we could get more information out of it.
Warning! I'm receiving worrying signals from the Metallic Valley outpost. We should return there as soon as possible.
That timing is not a coincidence. Let's get there quickly.
Wall destroyed.
One of our energy connectors has been destroyed.
A tower has been destroyed. Base is under attack.